Today was the first day. She wouldn't let me see it, took pictures, but she looked absolutely stunning. I am one proud dad, as you might well have noticed.
Her warmth and compassion shine through everywhere she goes, just like her smile.
I'm so happy you have found love and are beginning this amazing journey through life with someone that you can count on to stand by you through thick and thin.
Lauren grounds David. She keeps him humble. She calls him out when he's wrong, and she reinforces him when he's right. Lauren's a huge part of David's success, both personally and professionally, and he wouldn't be where he is today without her.
I, Lauren, take you, David, to be my husband.
I promise to be true to you in good times and in bad.
I promise to be true to you in good times and in bad.
In sickness and in health.
In sickness and in health.
I will love and honor you all the days of my life.
I will honor you in all the days of my life.
No love?
My love?
A little love. He promised to throw in a little love. Alright, my man Kevin over here has got the hardware. So place that ring on Lauren's finger and repeat after me, please. I give you this ring.
I give you this ring.
Wear it with love and joy.
Wear it with love and joy.
As this ring has no end.
As this ring has no end.
My love is also forever.
My love is also forever.